Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Glycel Estrada, 35 years old. I am from Impalutao, Impasugong, Philippines. I am married. I have 4 children, 15 years old, 13 years old, 9 years old, and 6 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My expertise is taking care of children and cleaning the house. I work as a housemaid here in Kuwait 2 years and 1 month. My duties are taking care of children, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, and marketing. I want to work to Hong Kong because I want to earn money from my family. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and a newborn baby. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I am a trustworthy, hardworking, obedient, and honest. I promise to be a good housemaid and prioritize my job. Thank you, Mom and Sir. I'm looking forward working with you as soon as possible.